Hello, this is Pete Pizzatello. Thank you for joining us today. Today we'll be speaking with Patrick Nottet from AGC Group, talking about taking back control of your offshore development. Before we kick off, I just would like to introduce our speaker. Patrick, welcome, and thank you for joining us today. Patrick Nottet is the IT technical architect for AGC Flat Glass in Europe, and he's been in that role for almost 2 years now. And in that role, he is in charge of the technical validation of hardware and software solutions with focus on enterprise interfaces. He specifically looks at monitoring the extension of quality policy across the ABAP domain, SAP domain, and developments. Prior to working for AGC, he's worked for Collaborabel as the Corporate Systems and IT Operations Department Manager, as well as the Office Automation and IT Manager in various roles. So Patrick, I want to thank you for joining us today, and I know we have a lot of material to get through. I would like to hand it over and let you get started.
Okay, thank you, Pete. I will speak today about our, let's say, experience using CAST to control offshore program, or also to control in-house development in ABAP on our SAP ERP. As an agenda for today, I propose a quick presentation of the AGC Group worldwide, plus in Europe and Russia. Then I will explain our first experience with CAST in 2010. We had the opportunity to run a POC at that time, and I will explain the reason to choose CAST and what we did with this tool and show you some test and result. The next point is the implementation in AGC Europe in 2011 of CAST, with a complete involvement of the development team at that time. We will review. We have reviewed at that time all the rules, and we choose some to follow. There is 3 different flows to run an analysis with CAST, and again I will show you some result. After that, I also took an example of the use of CAST, let's say a bit outside of the normal way, in our back to standard program, before to finish with some lessons learned and the next step we would like to put in place.